I got off at the wrong stop. Excuse me, can you help me? I think I'm lost.
Sure, no problem. What happened?
I took the bus and I got off at the wrong stop.
Okay, which stop did you want?
I wanted Green Street, but I don't see it here.
This is Baker Street. Green Street is not close to here?
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Don't worry, we can find a way. Where are you going exactly?
I'm going to my friend's apartment on Green Street.
Okay, do you remember the bus number you took?
Yes, it was bus number 12.
I see bus 12 goes a different way after this street.
That explains it. I was looking at my phone and I missed my stop.
That happens a lot. Don't feel bad.
How far is Green Street from here?
It's about 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers? That's pretty far to walk.
Yes, it is. You have a few options.
What options?
You can take another bus, get a taxi, or use a rideshare app.
Which one is faster?
A taxi is the fastest. It takes about 10 minutes.
And the bus?
The bus takes around 25 minutes with one transfer.
What about the price?
The taxi costs around $8. The bus is only $2.
That's a big difference.
Yes, it depends on how much time you have.
I told my friend I would arrive by 6 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It's 5:30.
Then you have 30 minutes. The taxi is a safer choice.
Okay, let's try the taxi.
There's a taxi stand just around the corner.
Great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's walk over there together.
Is it far from here?
No, just 2 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
Here we are. This is the taxi stand.
I don't see any taxis right now.
Sometimes you need to wait a few minutes.
Oh no, I hope it's not too long.
Let's wait and see.
This is a nice street. I've never been here before.
It's a quiet part of town. Not many tourists come here.
I like it. It's peaceful.
Yes, it is. I live near here.
Really? That's convenient for you.
It is. I can walk to work every day.
That must be nice. I take the bus every day.
Buses are useful, but they can be confusing sometimes.
Especially when you don't know the route well.
Exactly. Look, a taxi is coming now.
Finally.
Let's wave to get the driver's attention.
I hope he stops.
Don't worry, he sees us.
Oh good, he's slowing down.
Perfect. Let's talk to him.
Excuse me, are you free right now?
The driver says yes, he's free.
Can you take me to Green Street, please?
The driver says it will take about 10 minutes.
That's great, thank you.
Do you have cash or do you want to pay by card?
I have some cash, but not much. Can I pay by card?
The driver says card is fine.
Perfect. That makes it easier.
Okay, get in. I'll help you with your bag.
Thank you, Jack. You're very kind.
No problem, Molly. I hope you don't miss your stop again.
I'll be more careful next time.
Good idea. Watch the street signs, not just your phone.
You're right. I was too distracted.
It happens to everyone sometimes.
Thank you for waiting with me.
It was no trouble at all.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm happy I could help you find your way.
Wait, one more question.
Sure, what is it?
Do you know a good coffee shop near Green Street?
Yes, actually. There's a small cafe on the corner of Green Street and Fifth Avenue.
What's it called?
It's called Morning Light Cafe.
I'll check it out later.
Their coffee is really good, and it's not expensive.
How much is a coffee there?
Around $3 for a medium size.
That sounds reasonable.
Yes, and they also have nice pastries.
Maybe I'll bring some for my friend.
That's a thoughtful idea.
The taxi is moving now.
Yes, we're on our way.
This street looks familiar now.
We're getting close to Green Street.
I recognize that building.
Yes, that's near the entrance to Green Street.
I'm so relieved.
See? Everything worked out fine.
Thanks to you, Jack.
I'm glad I could help.
The driver says we're almost there.
Perfect timing, too. It's 5:55.
I'll arrive right on time.
Your friend will be happy to see you.
I hope so. I texted her that I was running late.
You can tell her the whole story later.
She won't believe it.
It's a funny story now, but it wasn't funny an hour ago.
You're right about that.
Here we are. This is Green Street.
Thank you so much, driver.
The driver says have a nice evening.
I will. You too.
Well, Mali, this is where I get off too.
Oh, you live near here?
Yes, just 2 blocks away.
What a coincidence.
It's a small world sometimes.
Thank you again for everything, Jack.
You're welcome. I'm glad your trip had a happy ending.
Me too. I learned an important lesson today.
What lesson is that?
Always check the bus stop, not just my phone.
That's a good lesson to remember.
I'll remember it next time.
Good luck finding your friend's apartment.
Thank you. Have a great evening, Jack.
You too, Molly. Take care.